Now that we know all the basics of React, let's go ahead and create this simple application. What this application does is it takes company name and description, and when a user clicks add, it adds the company in this list here and displays the company. User also has the option to click on these companies, and when they click on the companies, respective details would be displayed here. User also has the option to remove the company from this list. Alright. Whenever you plan to build React applications, you need to create separate components as much as possible and keep each component as stateless as possible, because if you happen to create states within all the components, it would be difficult to manage the states as the application grows. Now think about this application for now and see how you want to separate out the components here. It's always good to have a root app, which is the gray area here. Then we'll have a main parent component called company management. This component will have all these smaller components that we would be building, and this component is the one which manages all the interactivity between these separate components. Next, let's have a header component which displays the header. We'll then separate out this portion as add component, which will have two text inputs and a button. We'll have a companies list in which we list each component, company component, and then we separate out the company component itself, which will have company name and a button to remove the company. And finally we will have a component called company details, which will list the details as and when we click the company in this list. Alright, so let's go ahead and create this app in React.